All right, let's go ahead and jump into our last tab here, calculations with significant digits. And we have a couple examples here on the top. We're first going to jump into addition and subtraction. The rule here is when we get our answer, we are going to round to the same digit or the same value, really, as the last significant digit of the least precise measurement. So it just seems like a tongue twister of a sentence here. So let's kind of break it down to first the least precise measurement. So looking at our example here, which one is least precise? And hopefully then you're 9.2. And then the last significant digit, the place value of the last significant digit. So our last significant digit here is a 2. What place value is that? Hopefully you're thinking the tenths. So after I go ahead and complete my calculation here, I'm going to pretty much round to the tenths value. That's how this goes here. Once we do a few examples here today, and at the start of class tomorrow, it'll just kind of grow on you. This is how you get these answers. It's not terribly complicated, but whatever. It's definitely different than how you usually round things. Anyhow, let's go ahead and add these together. 5.73 plus 9.2, and I got 14.93. And rounding to the tenths value here would just give this answer as 14.9. Let's go ahead and complete the examples here that are using this rule of addition and subtraction. I'm going to use the calculator to kind of speed up our process here with getting our calculation or our sum or difference. So 16.875, sorry, didn't see that there, plus 5.2, and we get 22.075, and these are both C units. Anyhow, and then the least precise here would be the 5.2, and the 2 is in the tenths place. So just like the example we kind of did here before, we're going to be rounding to that tenths value. And with this one here, we notice that we have a 0, but next to it is a 7, leaving us to round that 0 to a 1. So let's go ahead and round that up. That's 7 tells 0 to go up to 22.1. And there's C. And there's our answer for that one. I'm going to go ahead and jump on the calculator here for example 2 as well, to kind of speed up the process. 9.875 minus 6.25, and we get 3.625. And looks like these units are inches. And the least precise is going to be the 6.25, and then the last digit is in the hundredths place this time. And so we're going to round that 2 there. The 5 tells the 2, move up. 3.63 inches is what we're going for there. Let's go ahead and check out our last rule we need to be aware of when we are determining significant digits in calculations. And the rule states the product or quotient must have the same number of significant digits as the least precise measurement. So again, that is the same. We are focused on the least precise measurement. So let's go ahead and look at which one is least precise. And least precise is going to have the least amount of significant digits. So first off, how many significant digits is in our first number here, 80? There's 1 significant digit. Then in 27, how many significant digits? We have 2. So looking at our rule again, we must have the same number of significant digits as the least precise. So our least precise is going to have the least number of significant digits. So our answer is only going to be allowed to have 1 significant digit in our answer. We are still going to calculate 8 times 27 as usual. And I got 2,160. Now, think of what is the most significant digit here that we should be rounding to, because we only can include one significant digit. Hopefully you're thinking this 2. The 2 is the most important here. So our answer, pretty much simplified, is going to be 2,000. And you can see we are only including one significant digit. Let's go ahead and tackle the examples here using this rule 3 and 4. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the process using the calculator here. And then write down our answer. And now we need to focus on the least precise. All right, we're focused on that. And then how many significant digits are there? And hopefully you're thinking 2. So my answer can only have 2 significant digits. So what should those digits be? So definitely these 2 in the front. The 58, although we will round, we'll go ahead and we'll include that 5 that is here. We'll tell the 8 to round up. That rounding kind of still is a factor here. And our answer will be 59 meters. And then our last one, we'll use our calculator again. Oh my gosh, that is an ugly number. So I'm going to write down the first several here, but we don't got to go that far, I don't think. 4285 7, and then dot, 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 dot. It goes on and on. We'll leave the calculator by the side if we need it. So let's first focus on the least precise. So the least precise is going to be the half foot versus the 0.75 feet. So this is the least precise, and the amount of significant digits, they actually have the same in this example, which is 3. So we will be only including the most important 3 digits here. Let's go ahead and do that, which would be pretty much the ones in the front, 9.42. And then there's still going to be that rounding action here. So make sure that 2 goes ahead and changes into a 3. And the units here are feet. There we go, guys.